Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you are new, please subscribe it, and below this video you will find a complete tutorial about this broker. Okay, how to do it step by step. Today I will show you a trading strategy based on price action only. So guys, this is my chart, 1 minute chart, and I'm trading on London session. So that's why I'm trading this British pound over the other pairs. Okay, this is the London session, and I want to show you some price pattern that you can follow to make some winning entry. So guys, let's start. Over here I have this chart, this 1 minute chart. As you can see here, I already placed my resistance and support level, and also I have a trend line. Okay, this is a trend line that I can move a little bit down because of this low. Okay guys, I had an entry here. Before the video I made an entry here with this pattern because this was a candlestick pattern, very accurate, and and a support level. Let's make some entry on these pairs. This is another one, this is another pair. We can see here also a trend line. The price is bouncing through this trend line, so let's wait. As we can see, the price, check, the price closed below the trend line, so we just need to wait until the price make a structure below this level, because remember, this level is a support level that was made before, that was made by this swing move. So let's wait, because we can make a call option here if the price close above this level. We can make a call option. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this level to be broken. Okay, let me place a line, a support line here, just to take in consideration this break. Let me zoom. So guys, as I told you before, if the price close above this level, or below this level, I will make an entry. If it close below this level, I would put put option. I will sell. If it close above this level, I will make a call option. Here I haven't set any line. Let's do some of them. The first thing I see here was a resistance level. Then we had a support level too, which the price touched a lot of time. You can see here a lot of contact point. And also we see a trend line here. This is a trend line. We can take this low to this high. This was a trend line, a very similar trend line than the others one, the previous one. So guys, we can see here, this is a pullback. This is a pullback. You can see that the price is pulling back to this level or to this trend line level. Let's see what happened. But in this case, if the price closes below this level, I will make a put option. I will sell. We also have another level here, support level. If the price break this level down, I will make a put option too. But we need to wait because the price can move higher to this resistance level, which was the trend line. We need to wait. Okay, another pair that I want to analyze is this one. We also can spot trend line. This was a trend line. This trend line was broken and the price start making new highs and new lows. So we can also trace this line over here. Okay, let's make a clone and put it here. So we have a upward channel in which we can trade. Let me check. Okay, this pair only has option for 5 minutes expiration. So I don't like this one. I just want to trade 1 minute expiration. Let me close this one. I think we are having an opportunity here. We just need to wait the close of this candlestick. Remember, I told you if the price closed below this level, we make a put option. And this is price action, guys. It's not closing below this level. Okay. Alright, so anyway, let me set an alert. Let me set an alert here. Just to be aware of this movement. And let me also make another alert here. See what is happening here. The price. Okay, let me check what happened. Yeah. I just need to wait until this candlestick close, and I want this candlestick close like this. I mean below this level. If it closes below this level, I will make a put option. Guys, besides this video, I want to write an article on my website tradingtoearn.com about this strategy so you can understand it better. I know my English is not so good, so you may understand it much better if I write an article. So go to the link below this video and you will find that article. Alright. I should wait a little bit more, but it closed below anyway. Okay, let me check. Let me see. I didn't like the close, but I think we win this trade because you can see it closed below. Right here. Yeah, it closed below. I think it's a winning trade. Let's wait until it closes, and we are missing 14 seconds, 10 seconds, second by one tick, and yes guys, we won this trade. As I told you guys, it's price action. here we can make another entry if the price move a little bit higher. Yeah. I mean, if the price come back to this level, we can also make another entry, put option, because what the price is telling me here over here is that we have a sell pressure, a lot of sell pressure. So let's wait to see what happened. Yeah, we are winning. Missing 5 seconds, 5 seconds, and we won this trade too, guys. This is what price action do. So we can make another entry here, but it would be risky. We can make the entry because we have this space. I mean, we have this room for the price to go down until this level, but it's okay. Let's see another pair. Okay, we have another opportunity here. If the price break down below this level, remember this is a support level, and we can trade the break. Yeah, it's breaking down and it's closing below that level, so let's wait. Yeah, okay guys, you can see we are winning this one because of the break. I mean the break of the support level. Let's see what happened if it respects the breakdown. We are missing 20 seconds. Let's see. So guys, remember, as I told you, I will write down an article about this pattern, this trading strategy, how to follow the price action, so you can see it and read it with all the elements, all details you take in consideration. Okay guys, that's it for today. Remember, let me give you some other clues. You can make another entries here if the price, for example, close below this level or below this level. These are support level, support zone, so you can make some entries. The other thing is, yeah, you can keep making entry until the price reach this level, support level. And this one, yeah, you can, let's make an entry here. No, we are late, but here we can make another entry. Okay, well, that was the one that we made, I'm sorry. We can make another entry here, but it's a little bit risky. This one was good too. Was very good because it broke down. We could make this entry and won this trade. So guys, I see you in the next video. I hope you like this video and you subscribe to my channel. Oh, before I close, this is my history. This is my history, guys. So I have a very good winning rate that you can also apply. So remember to visit my website tradingtoearn.com and also join my Facebook group. The link is below this video.